So I'm walking through Costco over the weekend doing my thing, and I look over and there's a pallet of some boiled salted duck eggs. And I'm like, yeah, who else is gonna review that but the Yolk Boys? So I picked me up a box. Now these things are cage-free, individually wrapped. That's nice. High temperature sterilization. I have to admit I'm a little bit skeptical for the fact that they have boiled eggs just in a box on a shelf. No worry about the temperature, no worry about anything else, so. And then I looked at the sodium on the nutrition facts and saw, yeah, there's 1,300 milligrams in one egg. So this one is gonna be good for the heart, folks. Very good for the heart. No idea what to expect here. It just says boiled duck eggs and salt. Those are the only ingredients. We're here to find out, so let's get these things open. All right, that's what it looks like inside of our box as soon as we open it up. There's 2 of these packages here. Well, that's what it looks like. It's inside of this plastic container and they are individually wrapped. All right. There. Oh. I literally just squeezed this thing a little bit to get a texture feel, and I broke the shell. I didn't know that they were still in the shell. So don't do what I did. I just squeezed that one open right there. I'm gonna try a different one for you guys, but yeah, I guess they're still in the shell. I have to admit to you guys, I'm a little bit skeptical of this one. What in the world? All right, it's still in the shell. It smells kind of like dog food, so that's good. Let's crack this thing open. Ooh. Whoa. What in the world? Ooh. Ooh. Look at that. What is going on here? It looks like chili oil running out of this yolk. Ooh. It doesn't smell that good. It smells like straight up dog food. I'm getting straight dog food vibes off of this thing. Okay, I'm gonna break another one open to see if I can actually peel one of these things. So stay tuned. These things are incredibly hard to peel, for one. 2, once you do get them peeled and get that membrane off, they look like shit. And then all of this juice starts leaking out that looks like chili oil. These aren't very appetizing looking, I'll tell you right now. But yeah, let's cut it in half and see if it's different. Oh boy. I'm pretty sure that if most of you were handed one of these at a party, you would just walk the f out of there. That is ugly. That's vile looking. It looks rotten. I don't know what to say about this. I'm gonna eat it for you. This thing just looks disgusting. My brain is telling me not to eat this. My eyes are like, stop it. What are you doing? Don't. Costco salted boiled duck egg. Yolks up. Oh. So salty. Wow. Those are salty. That's like a salt bomb. No wonder it's 57% of your daily intake. Okay. Right up front, not good. These things have such a bizarre texture in the yolk. It's like dry, salty, weird, oily yolk that tastes like dog food. And I know most of you haven't tried dog food like I have, but yeah, trust me, it tastes like dog food. The consistency is terrible. It's grainy, it's weird, it's kind of dry and hard, at the same time slimy. And the saltiness is just overwhelming. Way too salty. I don't recommend this. Don't buy these things, guys. Oh, on my scale of 1 to 10, I'm gonna have to give this like a 1.6. No good, Costco. You screwed up, Costco. You're losing my trust here. If you find yourself at Costco and you run into one of these boxes of boiled salted duck eggs, don't try it. They're terrible. Well, that's your review. Yeah, don't buy those eggs. Don't. Shame on you, Costco. If you guys enjoyed this review and this stupidity of a channel that I'm doing, please like and subscribe and show all your friends. Yolk's out.